That's the name. Yeah, I am live now, so you should see me. So I guess you guys should be able to rewatch the okay. So I'm going live now. Okay, it just come up on my phone, you know. You have to change. If you have like a blurry vision, Miss Douglas. If you have like a blurry vision, if you have like a blurry vision, you need to change the setting from a 480 XP to a 720. You guys should be able to see the class live. All right, so that's the best I can do. Hopefully it works. I have 2 persons on the live class. You not see me clearly? So you need to go and click settings. Like look somewhere on the screen. I'm not sure which button you need to click. I think there's like 3 dots. Click on it and you'll see like video quality or something like that. Alright, hold on. It's gonna be a little bit delayed, you know. It's gonna be a little bit delayed. Found it? Okay, so Miss Douglas, let me go. Miss Douglas? What number? As the highest one they can use. Just click at the top right hand side of the screen, click the 3 dots, you should see quality, and you choose like advanced. And then you choose like the highest one that your phone can give you. Which one? This one is 720. 720. Yeah, you can use that one. Academy of Mathematics. So you guys should be able to rewatch it later if you want. If you want. Hello, I need to turn it down because it can give me a bad feedback on my side. Hello, can you guys turn it down, please? You can watch it later and you can stay in the class now. But in case you need to. No. Sorry, I'm living online. What one? Oh, you did? No, not you. Wait a minute. Long time not seen you. You tell me you're quit. Alright, so if you guys want to watch about this session, you can go back and watch it. Hopefully the quality will be better. I might take it down and put it on my editor and then kind of turn up the quality a little bit and then repost again. Let's see what's coming. Alright, good evening everybody. So what was the last algebra topic? What was the last algebra topic? No, sir. Huh? Addition. Okay, so we go to, oh yes, I remember the class. Head of common substitution then. Bonus. So we have 1 or 3 times, right? Go here on 20th. 20th. The last class. Me at one? How about we have an SPA workshop day? Don't say. How guys are getting British in yeah. Nothing? Which day on Sunday? No. The store on Sunday, you sit down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and kind of compute out. What is the topic, sir? Hold on, guys, hold on. I can't talk to you all. Okay, so the topic that we're going on is substitution.
So it's same on the other.
That's what we're going on to. Alright, as it relates to this, I say if I don't want to follow you on Sunday. See, this one Sunday, I would have bought a bucket of chicken on kind of computer.
You buy the bucket of chicken?
No, each one of the 5 days for the rest. Tasha, not talk to us. As soon as you hear food, your belly got ring. So, no, sir. She didn't give it to you, she gave it to me. No, she was a song, she said it. Okay. Y'all forgot that on the live. Yeah. So listen, that's when I got back, the kind of computer come, I will just mash up the graphic part and SEO. We're going to plan. We can't talk about it now, but we're going to plan. We're going to follow last Sunday. Yeah, just once you have already handled out your questionnaires and stuff, we just follow with it. We sit and work with them. Eat chicken, drink juice, Pepsi, eat belly. You can't. If you're 12 at SC.edu.js. If you're 12 at stu.edu.mcu.edu.js.
Sir.
The person with it. No. About 7, 8. Yeah. Yes. Hold on. If you're 12 at stu.ncu.edu.js. Yes. Question. Let us take that. Ready now? Nothing. Food. Christ. As soon as you hear food, as soon as I smell food. Belly. Okay. So we are on the topic of what we say, substitution. That's it. Alright, sorry to my viewers. Okay. This is a live class, so it's nothing can change. I will be editing it. Alright, here we go. Sick of this topic, man. No. Just when you have to teach this topic like about 4 or 5 times a year, it's annoying, man. So the topic is substitution. I don't hear you. Yes, that sounds like Alicia.
No, sir, it's not Ellie.
So why is Alicia's microphone on?
So my Delsha, not Ellie.
So let's get a name. Delsha. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Ready? So notes time. Example. Okay. Substitution is the method by which. Okay. Topic is substitution. The main topic is algebra. So substitution is the method by which an algebraic variable is replaced by a numerical value. Just repeating for you. Substitution is the method by which an algebraic variable is replaced by a numerical value. Okay? By a numerical value. Numerical value. That's as simple as we get. So basically all you're going to be getting now is a bunch of different types of expressions in now. And you're going to be told what the values of the letters are. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to whatever, and you just put them where they belong and calculate. You can be multiplying, you can be adding, you can be subtracting, you can be squaring, cubing. It depends on the expression. You just substitute the numbers inside the expression and work it out. We'll look at a few examples of addition and subtraction, as well as multiplication and powers. Okay? Alright, full stop. There are two variations to substitution. There are two variations to substitution. There are two variations to substitution. That is direct substitution and binary operation. There are two variations of substitution, direct substitution and binary operation. Hopefully we should be able to go through binary operation. Hopefully we should be able to go through all two versions of it. Okay? I'm going to try to be as concise as I possibly can. Okay? Not to go too in there. Okay? So, generally, when you get a substitution question, you're going to be told what the letters are. So, example number 1. X is equal to 4. Let's keep it simple. Y is equal to 3. And let's say Z is equal to 2. Keep it positive for now. Okay? So, you're told what the letters are. And they're given a bunch of questions. Let's say 1. Work out 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Something like that. That would be one question. Another example would be maybe like, I don't know, say x to the power x times y raised to the power of z. Okay, let's do something like that. Okay, and then last example would be something like maybe 2x squared minus y divided by z cubed. Something like that. Okay?
I don't see one square at the blackboard. Blackboard?
That's what she means. So, have a look now. Okay. Pardon me? Yeah, man, as usual. She's on it. She's always on it. All right. So reading for you. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to 3. Z is equal to 2. First question. You have to work out or evaluate 2x plus 3y minus 4z. That's the first one. 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Next one is going to be xy in bracket to the power of z, not 2z. Okay, it's z. And the last one is going to be 2x squared minus y over z cubed. 2x squared minus y over z cubed. Okay, so to work out this then, very simple. They said x is 4, and 2x means 2 times 4. Sorry, 2x means 2 times x. That's going to be 2 times 4. Hope you guys are following. 2x means 2 times value of x, so 2 times 4, plus 3 times the value of y. Y they said is, according to this person, is 3. And that's minus 4 times z. Z in this case is 2. Okay? So that 2 looks like a z. Okay, that's 4 times 2. Alright, so 2 4 is 8. 3 3s is 9, and 4 2s is 8. Okay? So 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 minus 8 is 8. That's it. Sorry, it's 9. That's it. That's it. It's no big deal. Okay? You just multiply and add the results. So you multiply what needs to be multiplied, and you subtract what needs to be subtracted. Alright? That's example number 1. It gets a little bit more sticky a little bit later. Okay? But it's the idea of substitution. Remember, substitution, all you're doing is just replacing a letter with a number. Yes?
3, 2x squared, 3, 2x squared.
Yes, 2x squared minus 5. Okay? So that's the whole idea. Remember that substitution is like playing football. See? You have a player, tired or injured, you simply take him, put him over there, somebody. That's it. Moving the Z, putting a number there. The number makes it more, allows you to evaluate. You can't work out 4 times Z, because you don't know what Z is. But now that we know what Z is, then we can work out the expression. Okay? Got it? Alright guys, you can see I'm not paying attention to you here, I'm the manager here, and I'm here, and I have the class in front of me. Okay? Now I'm not being honest with you. Yes? That's I'm talking and I'm repeating, so you gotta follow me there. I can't do any better than this. So once I'm finished with here, I have a student here that will take the picture and send it in the group. So you've gotta work with me as I am going along. So you gotta watch my fingers and listen to my voice, okay?
I'm sure can you go back over one each?
So we're told what the values of x were. So we are told what the values of x, y, and z are. We are told what these values are. You're always going to be told. Okay, so you get it now.
Yes, sir. I can't see the top. Can you read the top, please?
Topic is substitution.
Yes, sir. I get the topic. What is x and z?
X is 4, y is 3, z is 2.
X is 4, y is 3.
Yes, z is 2. Next question here is x, y, z. Next question is x, y, z. So x is 4. Follow me guys, follow me. Watch what I'm writing and listen to my voice, okay? X is 4, so that's 4. Multiplied by y is 3. 3, so that's 4 times 3. I'll put that back in the bracket here and we raise it to the power of z. Z is 2. So it is 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. 4 3s is what? 12. And so 12 squared is equal to 12 times 12, which is 144. That's it. Okay? Are you listening to my voice or are you following me, guys? Because I cannot do any better than that.
Yes, sir.
Douglas, I'm not hear you. What?
Yes, sir. I'm following.
Gotcha. You still need the picture, right? Or are you following?
Next to the picture. I'm just following your fingers. Look at the picture.
Alright, so the last one down here. Okay, last example for this one. 2x squared. Okay, 2x squared. So it's going to be 2 times the value of x. Check up top. What is x? X is 4. So it is 2 multiplied by 4, but the x is squared. So the 4 is going to be squared. Okay, minus the value of y. Y is 3. So you're going to minus the 3. And then you're going to divide the result by z cubed. Z is 2, so it's going to be 2 cubes. Okay? Alright, so do not say 2 times 4 and then square the result, because remember, according to the arithmetic laws, the order of arithmetic operation, you have to do exponents before you do multiplication. So don't be tempted to say 2 times 4 and then square it. Wrong. Square it first, then multiply by it. Got it? PENDAS. exponents come before m, e come before m. So e comes before m. Okay, so this is going to be 2 multiplied by 16 minus 3 over 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So it's not 2 times 3, it's 2 times 2 times 2. We've been through this already.
Sure.
Yes. Huh? What kind of amount? Me? No.
So, ano ba na position?
Get a mop man. Downstairs. The land is downstairs. So 2 times 6 is 32. 32, right? If you want me piece by piece, I'm going to do it right. So 2 times 6 is 32. 32 minus 3, 29. So let's leave the answer at 29 over 8. Okay? Going to them first. 2 times 16, 32. 32 minus 3, 29. 29 over 8. It cannot be reduced any further. Just leave the answer at 29 over 8. Third class determinant fraction? No. Don't need to get that complicated. I made up the question in my head, so you're going to get some awkward looking answers. But when they give you the answers, they'll come out really nice. Okay?
So, never really got to this was the middle one that we get to. 16, I realized.
You got it now?
So, what I keep two.
Pardon? No, say that thing.
No, I realized, sir. So, as in, so why are you going to keep the two? But I realized that.
Why? The 2 is in the question.
Yes, but I never done because we never realized the answer.
Okay. Alright, so you guys online, you get that? Everybody, get that? My friend right at the back. Hello. Come closer, I want to see to your front. No, you stay anymore. You're too far. I said, everybody get that? Everybody here get that? It's quite simple. Let's make that a little bit more complicated. You know me. So put some negatives in the mix. Okay? Alright, so now let's say that A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to 3. Keep it like that. Okay, it could be A, B, and C. It could be X, Y, and Z, P, Q, and R. You good? Okay. So A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to 3. You're going to be given a bunch of expressions. Okay. So 1. Okay, 1. Listen, guys. Can you guys see? There we go. So A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to 3. Okay? So number 1, you could be asked to work out 2A minus 3B plus C divided by A plus B plus. Why are you all got it? I'm going to add subtract. So 2A minus 3B plus C, all divided by A plus B minus C. Whatever that comes out to be. Leave some space here for that. A plus B minus C, that is correct. That's 1. Number 2, let's do, okay, let's do this one. 2x, sorry, so that's 2AB minus open bracket C minus A plus 3B minus.
That's 3B.
Yeah, that's 3B minus minus 4C. Okay? You guys can see that. So you have 2 examples here. And the expressions, we have no control over how the expressions are going to look. All we have is what goes in what space, what letter goes where. Okay? So for this one, clearly A is going to be -2. Be careful of your signs. Okay, if this question ever gets challenging, if it ever gets difficult, it gets difficult with your signs. Okay? Knowing when you clash with negative or negative times there. So pay close attention, you guys are seeing. It is 2 multiplied by A according to what is instructed to you. 2A is negative 2. Minus 3B, so that is 3 times B. B is negative 1. Plus C is 3. And that goes all the way over. Right? A is negative 2. Plus B is negative 1. So that's 2, negative 2 plus negative 1. Notice I separated with a bracket. Alright, and then we got the minus C, which is 3. And then we just evaluate. You can use a calculator if you want to. Either 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 3. And that is all over. Negative 2. When our plus means we get a negative. Minus 3. So that's minus 1, minus 3. So again, 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Negative times negative is positive. 3 ones is 3. Plus 3. Negative 2, down bottom. When a plus means a negative, you get a negative. Negative 1, minus 3. Let's evaluate. Negative 4, you can use your calculator if you want. Okay? Don't stress yourself out. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. You can figure that out by yourself. And negative 2, negative 1, negative 3, all these numbers are what I owe. So I'm still going to owe. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's negative 6. Okay. Use your calculator. Okay. You're watching your facial expression like you're perplexed by what is he doing. Yes, Darsha.
Can somebody please?
Yeah, as usual, she's on it, you'll get it. But you have to pay attention. Are you following though? Excellent. You can't leave the 2 over 6 like that. I see you looking. One of you, we must do with 2 over 6. 2 into itself 1 times 26, 3. The answer is negative 1 third. Okay, all fractions, if possible, must be reduced to its lowest term. Where possible. Got it? Any questions? Which little part? Look on it closely before you go over it. Look on it and try to interpret it by yourself, then I will go back over it if you're confused. Anything that you see me get, I must add and subtract it to get the result. Alright. You new? First time. You don't see a new one? You're sneaky. Say, anytime one person new in the class, you can sense that energy. Next, are you ready? No. Good. Moving too fast? No, the reason I'm moving too fast because, the reason why it appears that I'm moving too fast because we've been through a topic called operation integers. We'll be talking about 1/2. So at this stage, if I'm going to slow down for you, nothing like that. No, for anybody at all. Like this part here, we have 2 choices. You can either use a calculator, split out the result, or you can use the O-half technique that I showed you. O-half. At this stage, we must spend like a whole class talking about negative numbers is what we owe, positive is what we have. So take away your half and away your O, and you can just take over half. We've been through that, right? So it will appear that I'm moving fast because at this stage, I told you, I'm not going to treat it like a baby all the time. We spend like a week learning how to add and subtract numbers. We spend like a week looking at which number you should add, multiply, divide, do brackets first. We did that. I gave you my YouTube channel, which I did the videos, which you should have been going through. So all them little things then, when you reach here, so I still tell you. Right? When we reach here, so I told you that my teacher opened fun and float by then. So you used to know what deep water is. So you have to swim and sharp on the near. That's just plain facts. Okay? So I'll try to slow it down a little bit. But we can't spend time. I help people figure out what I just did right here. Okay? Alright, so up here now. Right side, why that makes sense? That's up here now? Okay. Alright, so 2 times A times B means 2 multiplied by the value of A multiplied by the value of B. So that is 2 multiplied by A is negative 2, multiplied by B is negative 1. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, I'm going to open the bracket just as I saw it there. Okay, I'm going to put C value right here, C3. I'm going to subtract the value of A. So I'm going to subtract, what is A? Negative 2. So 3 minus 2. The hardest part of this is be careful with your sign. Be careful with your signs. Okay, let's go again. 2 times A times B is 2 times A, which is negative 2, times B, which is negative 1. Open the bracket, open the bracket. C is 3. 3 goes here. I am subtracting A. So I'm subtracting what A is. So I'm subtracting negative 2. And I'm going to be adding 3 times the value of B. 3 times the value of B, B is negative 1. Then I'm going to close the bracket like that. Okay? So I'm replicating what is at the top. Minus 4C. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by the value of C. What is C? 3. Do not write when I teach, guys. You will get confused. Watch first, then you write after. Okay? Alright, so let's work out the outside, because we know that we have to do whatever is on the inside first. Yeah. Oh yes, for reason. Good observation, thank you. This takeaway sign has to come back right. Alright, so let's work out here. Let's kind of simplify. It looks kind of complicated with so many brackets all over the place. So let's simplify a bit further. 2 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by negative, slower. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Let's find if it's positive or negative. Negative times negative, positive. Alright, so that's 4 minus, open the bracket. Let's work out what is inside. That's it. Yeah. What happened? What happened? Class. Alright, so everybody with me? Yes, sir. Everybody with me? Everybody online, are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so let's look inside the bracket now and look if there's anything that is clashing that you need to simplify. Okay? If you look carefully here, there's a negative clashing with a negative. Obviously, you can't work the math with 2 signs, it has to be 1 sign. So what we're going to replace these 2 negatives with? That's correct. So that's 3 plus 2. Alright? So we have a positive and a negative here. So when a positive and a negative meet, what do you get? A negative. 3 ones is, close the bracket. So this is now simplified a bit further. And we're going to minus now what is 4 times 3? 12. Okay? Alright, so we still have to work out what is in the bracket. Remember the topic of PEMDAS? Bracket first, simplify after. So we have this 4 come down, minus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 12. So everything inside the bracket reduces to 2. Minus 12. Yeah. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 12 is negative 8. On the calculator. Got it? Yes.
But 2 right? Up top.
Yeah.
Then 2 times A is 2 times B, right?
2 times A times B. Not 2 times A plus 2 times B. No. 2 times whatever A is times whatever B is. Right? Okay. Everybody get that? Y'all got that? What am I talking? Sorry, not Unu, sorry. You guys are matched. Okay. Chip in and chip out both times. Not Unu, I meant y'all. Y'all. Y'all got it?
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to be innovative, okay? So I'm trying to say if you go home and you want to watch it, not like we just go to feel free, you always have it here to watch it.
Teacher.
Oh, Devante, I'm going to put it in the chat, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Alright, so we are finished with this version of substitution.
Then someone needs to meet the please.
She's on it, she's on it, she's on it. Miss Okay, so as it relates to the expressions, we have no control over them. Okay, you simply have to be able to know when time numbers and letters are joined together. It means multiplication. When you're separated apart by a sign, you add or subtract them. Always work out what is in the bracket first. Follow the law of PEMDAS, and then you'll find yourself getting to the question easier. Okay, so then I'll go on to version number 2 of substitution, which is binary operations. It's not a binary like 1001, that's not what I'm talking about. Okay. So binary operation. So I'm going to define what binary operation is for you. Alright, so definition lines. Alright, so binary operation is where two or more operations are combined together. Is where two or more operations are combined together. To derive one solution. To derive is where two or more operations are combined together to derive one solution. Full stop. It is usually indicated by a variety of different symbols. That's the same word. English is so bad. It is usually, let me say, define. Let me say. It is usually what? Indicated. It's usually indicated, right? It is usually indicated by a variety of symbols. Don't say different. Variety and difference is the same thing. It's a variety of symbols. And these symbols that you're going to be seeing are going to be the following. These are the ones that are most common. You can be more, but these are the ones that you're going to see. You're going to sometimes see the asterisk, or you might see a circle looking like that, or it could be a triangle sometimes. It could be, which other one? It could be a rectangle. I've seen that too. I think these are the ones. Oh, and it could be this fish looking symbol here, alpha. So these are the most common ones, okay? But there could be any symbol, okay? Now, people often think that asterisk means multiplication. Right? You hear? You hear it? So people always think that the multiplication symbol means, asterisk means multiplication. It does not. Well, in fact, none of them means anything. Okay? It means what they tell you that it means. Okay? So this symbol here could mean that you're adding and multiplying at the same time. It could mean that you're dividing and squaring at the same time. It could mean that you're finding the square root of a number. Sir, how are we going to know which one does it mean? They will tell you. They always tell you. They always give you a formula for what these symbols mean. So we don't use the word symbol, we just say operand or operation. Alright? We say operation. So if it's this, we say other. So it looks like this, okay? This is what it looks like. Let's say you're given A asterisk B. We don't say A asterisk B. You can, but we just say A operation. That's what we say. A operation. And so they're always going to tell you how is A and B being operated together. How are they being operated? By what formula are they being operated? You have no control over what that is. They'll tell you what it is, okay? So A operation B means, let's keep it simple for now, 3A minus 2B. Let's keep it like that, very simple. So you're going to tell you the expression that connects A and B. So A and B are connected in such a way that you're going to have to multiply the value of A by 3, multiply the value of B by 2, and subtract the result. So what is the question? They will proceed now to ask you now, what is 2 operation 3? Usually, you're told that A is 2 and B is 3. In this case, you're going to have to look and identify what is A, what is B. Yes?
Can I try?
Not yet.
Okay.
Since A is the first letter and 2 is the first number, then A is equal to 2. Since B is the second letter and 3 is the second number, then B is 3. And it follows that order. Whatever number comes at the front of the asterisk will represent this letter. Whatever number comes after the asterisk will represent this number. Got it? Got it, follow?
Awesome.
Okay, so whatever letter comes in front of the asterisk will match. This is the question, you know. This is the question. Sorry, this is the operation. This is the formula that matches the operation. This is the question. So A operating with B is equal to 3A minus 2B. They want you to work out 2 operating with 3. So 2 operating with 3 is going to be equal to 3 times A. A is the what? First letter. So what is the first number? It says 3 times 2. Minus 2 times B. B is the what? Second letter. So what is the second number? 3. So it is 2 times 3. 3 times 2. 6. 2 times 3. 6 minus 6. 0. That's it. What is confusing you, Najee? Ash? What's confusing? Sorry, not Ash. Sorry, I'm forgetting me. That's what I want to say. What's confusing you? Anybody confused? Someone? Confused? You're good. I'm on hours make that sound. Sound like I'm tired. run a quarter mile today. Let's do like about 2 or 3 more examples so you get a hang of what I'm talking about. Okay? You get a hang before we press stop. Can I raise? No.
You don't know.
So let's try to get a better hang of this. So I'm going to give you an operation. Okay? I'm going to say x operates with y. So I'm using a different symbol. So x is operating with y. Forwarding operating. The square root of 5x minus 3y. So that is the formula that matches the operation with x and y. Okay? So x operation y, I'm using a different symbol, I'm using the little circle. Remember, it does not mean to multiply, it means whatever it tells you to do. So it is still substitution, it's just that I won't tell you what x and y is, you're going to have to just look at the question and figure it out. So number 1, we're going to ask you what is 5 operation 3. So what is x? What is y? Let me get that.
Yes, sir.
X is 5, y is 3. Plug them in there. So it becomes the square root of 5. You just tell me x is 5. So it's 5 times 5. 3. What is y? 3. I just worked it out. Remember, you have to work out what is underneath the bracket, underneath the radical sign. So it becomes the square root of 5 5s. 3 3s. What is 25 minus 9? What's the square root of 16? See. See. So as it relates to what this expression is, you have no control. They are going to tell you what it is, put in the numbers, you multiply, add, subtract, divide, square, whatever it is that you need to do. The formula tells you what you need to do. Do you all follow? Online.
Yes, sir.
And so we're going to do one more example to this one. So you can cement what you just see. First and second example, cement what you just see. Getting into deep water, so we'll start reach formulas, not formulas, sorry, equations. So this is the last part of, this is the second to last part of the expression. So getting there, close and close. Oh, I have 2 weeks left. Oh, like picture? Then good one. About what happened?
No, if they want to take a picture.
No, they want to take it, man. Even they can see them still what you take it. Can I erase? Huh? Okay. Hello, no, you know, we're rough enough, like, tell them, say, oh, I see you, like, if you tell them, I just shoot me about you, see? Like, if you spend time on a thing, there's no time you can read it. Like, go like, slow. Like, at that same pace we were going at the beginning, it tells me I'm too fast, I don't agree. Like, now, we have to make you realize you're going, you're getting closer and closer into the part where it's either you start swim, or shark will eat you, or you drown. See? Alright, so one more example, okay? I use A and mid last time, right? Let's use P and Q. So P, and let's use this square here, this thing here. Q. So read this now. P operation Q. So it don't mean nothing. It don't mean you don't take P and Q and draw it on a rectangle and say no. That's not what it means. Okay? It means what I tell you or what they tell you that it means. So in this case now maybe it means 2p squared minus 3p cubed plus q squared. That's what it means.
So that's Q.
That's 2p squared minus 3p cubed plus q squared.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what it means. Okay? So that's how P and Q is operating. It's operating underneath this condition. So they're going to ask you to work out a particular question. Let us say it does not. Let's work out -1 operation 3. So, what is P? What is Q? If you figure out all the question below, you can put them where they belong. Right in there, and work it out. Square off, we get square, multiply off, we get multiply, add off, we add, and you should get to your answer relatively easy. Okay? You just have to do this.
So I did just like that about
Pardon? -1, the symbol 3. So -1 is going to be equal to 2 times, what is P? So the -1, but the P was squared, right? So you're going to square the -1. Minus 3 multiplied by what is P? -1. What is Q? 3. What is Q again? 3. So that's 3 squared. I just evaluate. Now remember, we just talked about it, Ajay. You cannot say 2 times -1 and then square it. So we are reiterating the same thing that we said earlier. You square it first, then multiply by 2. Why? E comes before P in pendulum. Okay? So that's going to be 2 multiplied by, when you square -1, you're going to get +1. Some of you guys will be using the calculator, as I know you always will. And then the calculator is going to mess you up. Because you guys are not going to put the bracket, and you're going to go on the calculator and you're going to insert -1 squared and you're going to tell us -1, which is incorrect. Okay? When you square a negative number, you're always going to get a positive result. So -1 squared is not equal to -1 squared. That's not the same result. Okay? They're two different things. This one is squaring the 1, but it's not squaring the negative. The brackets let you know that both the negative and the 1 is not squared. Okay? So be aware of that. Yeah. The formula, Mr. Douglas, up here. Formula here that they gave you, 2p squared. So it is 2 times the value of p, which is -1 squared. That's 2 times 1. We already square it. Alright, let's not quick to write down the sign. Let's check the signs now. Negative multiplied by negative is, and there's another positive out here, so it still remains positive. So don't be quick to write down the sign here. Check the signs first to see if anything changes. So negative times negative, positive times a positive is still positive. So now ready to multiply now. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus, what is 3 squared? 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Not 3 times 2. 3 times 3, 9. What is 2 times 1? Plus what? Plus what? So the answer is equal to 20. Okay? That is what we call binary operation. A combination of more than one operations to get one result. Yeah, multiply, add, and subtract at the same time. Do you follow? Whatever good? No good? Is that you confused? No? Okay. Why is my phone showing so clearly? I don't can go on it blurry. I have this resolution. I guess that is the resolution on the phone. Because my phone, like if I'm watching it from my phone here, it's so clear. It's literally very clear. Anyway. Huh? Okay, now it's time. You know it's not sticky now. No, it's not sticky. That's it. That's it. You know, I'm trying to swallow.
Sir, is that?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Here?
2 years old.
2 1 2.
No, sir, as in going to office of the this and you get this.
How many get what? How many get here?
Yeah, when we do not understand the years old, as in we calculate we know.
Square root 1. This time, 9. Square that, that's 9. 3 times 1 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9. Negative times negative is positive. 3 squared is 9. Negative 1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 9, 9, 20. Okay. So now it's going to get sticky. Not sticky, just a little bit tricky. No, not hard. Just tricky. Can I erase? Ajay. Let's go back over it. You can't catch it on one class. Let's go back and watch it again, or go back and watch it. Yeah. Yeah. No. I don't know. Yeah, tell me come. Oh, yeah. So we're going to go back to simplicity so that we can get the variation I'm going to show you now. Okay. Alright, so let's go back here. A operation B is equal to 2AC minus B squared. Let's try it. So the first question you'll be asked is to work out something very simple. Alright? So it's going to be 2 operation 1. Alright? And then the next time, now when we got things like this now, let's go down here. These guys are C. So that's the first question. Very straightforward. You know, about the style now when we got things like this now, and then say 3 operation 2 operation 1, and then you put that and wrap it like that. Okay. And then they will do another one here. And then they'll say 2 operation 1 in bracket operation 5. Let's keep it like that. Yes. Alright, so you look at this like that. So, yes. Yes,
when I say we are communicating, what do they mean?
Means that it means that it doesn't matter how you turn the numbers around when you're multiplying or adding, you're going to get the same result. Example, 2 plus 3 is going to be the same result as 3 plus 2. Or 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 3.
Okay. Sir?
Yes.
Says that A operates B.
Yes, correct.
Okay, thank you. And
Alright.
A, 2AC, that's C.
That's correct. Yeah. Oh, 2A minus B squared. Where's C come from? Oh my God. There's no C in the operation. That would have been my mistake. Not C. It's just 2A minus B squared. Okay, ready? Ready? So the first one is easy. And you need the first one to work out 2 and 3. You can't work 2 and 3 without using the first one. Okay? So it's very easy. What is A? Right, okay? What is B? You're going to plug it where? In here. So this is going to be 2. What did you just say A was?
2.
Minus, what is B?
1.
That's 1 squared. Okay? 2 times 2.
4.
Minus 1 squared. 1 squared is what? So 4 minus 1 is what?
3.
Make a note of that answer. Put that one, that answer. So this answer here, what is this answer 3? That is the result of what? 2 upfront 1 or 2 operation 1. Do we get that?
Yes.
Do we get that? So this is the result of this thing right here. Okay? Now it's called binary operation because the prefix bi means 2. So you can only operate 2 things at the same time. Okay? Obviously. But here we're looking at 3. So it's a problem. Right? 3 operation 2 operation 1 is a problem. But notice what they put into the bracket. What did they put into the bracket? Sorry, what did I put into the bracket? Do you have the answer to 2 operation 1? To replace that 2 operation 1 with the result you got. What's the result you got? 3. So that trinary operation becomes a binary operation. What is that? So it's like what you're doing is that you're expecting to use the answer you get at the top to transfer down here. That's why they have it now on bracket. Good question. What is in the bracket? You never have an answer, you have to work it out. It's still a pendant, so you work out what is in the bracket. So you take whatever is inside here and do the operation, record the result, and operate it in 3. But I've never seen them do that before, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. Okay? So look again, guys. Look, in this question here, you have 3, operation 2, operation 1. But in bracket here is the operation 2, operation 1, which is what you just worked out, which is why I have it in a box here. You just worked it out and got 3. So that's 3 squared. Yes.
So now you're free. No one else is free. No, you have said you're free. To do 3 videos.
Oh yeah, you can let the Zoom jump on. Alright, so we will jump on. Right here, the second question.
Yes.
So I'm saying here that so we replace the 2 operation 1 with 3. Because we just get the answer to 2 operation 1. We just worked it out. That's why I have it in a box here. So the result of 2 operating with 1 is 3. So down here you see that 2 operation 1 repeating itself. Replace what is in that bracket with the result you just got, which is 3. That's why we have 3 operation 3 here. Because this second 3 right here replaces the 2 operation 1, which we just got to be 3 up here. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
So everything goes back up to the formula up here. This formula up here, everybody goes back to this formula 2a minus b squared. So it is 2 times a, the new a is now 3, minus b, which is 3 squared. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 squared is 9. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. That's the result of the second question. Wow. Yes, Daddy, you know.
I was just realizing he's saying between operation.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. They can put it at the end. They can also put it at the beginning. So the third question here, again, you can see that they're replacing, again, this 2 operation 1 You have the answer already. So the operation you're doing, the operation you're actually working on is actually 3 operation 5. Because this 2 operation 1 was 3. So put it here and operate with 5. And everything goes back to this formula here. Okay? So this 2 times what is A? 3 in this question. Consider 3 operation 5 look just like 8 operation B. So the first number is always A or X or P or whatever the letter is, and the second number is always B or Y or Z or whatever the letter is. So there's 2. See that now? So 2 formulas here. 2A, so this 2 times A, which is now 3, minus B, which is 5 squared. 2 3 is 6. 5 squared is 25. So the result works out to be negative 19. Okay? That is binary operation. Huh?
Operation 3, operation. Or 2 operation 1.
2 operation 1, operation 5. And that's binary operation, that's it. The hard thing, as I said, it doesn't really come any harder than this here. It's a 1 mark, 2 mark question, so we spend an entire class trying to learn them to get 1 or 2 marks on the exam. But it does go. You don't have any control. You just have to just be very focused and see where you're at. Okay? So I am going to give you 1 of each try. 15 minutes, that's all. Next time.
14.
Operation 2, operation 1, operation 5 is in bracket.
2 operation 1 is in bracket. Operation 5 is on the outside. Alright, so here's your chance now, guys, to do your best. Let's see where you can manage. Alright, so now I have P is equal to 4, Q is equal to 0, and R is equal to minus 2. Evaluate 1. 3P squared minus R cubed. 2. 2P minus 3 open bracket, 3 open bracket Q minus 3R that's 1. That's 1 set of questions there. And
Repeat the first one. Sir, P equals 4, Q equals 0, R equals 2.
yeah,
Is there any way I can
3P squared minus R cubed. Second one, 2P minus open bracket I'm only one here, alright?
Sir, minus?
Yeah, 2P minus 3, open bracket Q minus 3R, close bracket. So, let's use some regular symbol. This one.
That cannot work.
I like that tell, it's not easy. Maybe you can't work. How about you say some maths can't work? Never hear that yet. Every maths can't work.
Number two there?
Huh?
Yes, we know number two.
Oh no, this is a different question.
Different.
Yeah. So two different types. This is the first version. Direct substitution. This is the binary down here.
Is there was that form of?
That's a formula. A quarter multiplied by a minus b squared. So you don't have any control over this. What this is just putting out to work out. Alright, so because I'm not really going to stay here for the whole night, I'm just giving you two of the simplest ones. Okay? Alright, so let's do that. Let's see what I have and then you can get out. Alright, so down at the bottom half here, number 2. This one down here is the one that we just did moments ago. The one up top was the first version. Okay?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, go ahead, hear me.
Can I ask for a favor?
No.
Before the beginning of the class, one time I ask you, please look one of them from number 2, the primary. I want
No.
to know.
No, I can't do that favor. Look in the example I gave you.
Sir,
So 4 years of difficulty. Excuse me, excuse you. Oh,
Right now.
Sir, look here. Sir.
nice. It was no way to say negative, say oh, say still. None of that. So that we did 3 and then 14.
Search it by source.